Everyone needs a salt bath. Salt bath looks very simple and unassuming, but one thing is for sure, salt bath is very effective. So far you know how to go about it and you do it religiously, then salt bath is very beneficial. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. Talking about salt bath, a lot of people feel because salt bath is very simple to do and does not cost money that it might not be effective, but that's not totally correct. Salt bath, an age-long tradition. Some cultures don't joke with this. Those who know the value of salt of salt bath don't joke with salt bath, because salt, despite the fact that salt is a sweetener, is also a cleanser. Salt gets rid of any negative energy. And throughout my years of spiritual practice, I've come to understand that most of the problems that a lot of people claim they have is not actually a problem, but negativity. A lot of people are facing negative energies that is blocking their favor, mercy, abundance, and is blocking their success. So, if you can get rid of blocking spiritual negativity, then things will work perfectly for you. Salt, in some generations, have been known to be used as a source of trade. In fact, some cultures fight war because of war. But I wouldn't be going into the history or the significance of salt, spiritual benefit of salt, because I've done a video talking about that. I'm going to be putting that up for you to see, or I'm going to be putting it in the description. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to do salt the proper way, how to do it the proper way, and also to let you know that everyone needs a salt bath. Now, the ingredient we are going to be using is simple. We are going to be using cooking salt, but it must be white cooking salt. White cooking salt. If you cannot get a cooking salt, you can also use sea salt. Sea salt will also do. Sea salt will also do, because they are known to do exactly the same thing. They cleanse. They also sweeten. This salt is very powerful in the sense that once it cleanses you, it also brings sweetness to your life. And you know that once negativity is gone, then positivity will come. And when you have positivity, then success will come everywhere. Abundance, good luck, money, stability, good things will come to you. So just get salt is what you are going to be using for this spiritual recipe. Now, how are you going to be doing this? All you need to do is buy salt. Buy salt. It might be the local one, it might be the one in the sachet. It doesn't matter. Whatever you get, just make sure you have it at home. In fact, I've done a video where I told you some of the spiritual things that should not be lacking in your home, and I'm going to be linking that up for you to see. Salt is a spiritual item that should not be missing from your home, because if you don't have salt in your home, it means drought, it means bad luck, it means negative things, because salt brings goodness to your life. So you must have salt. So you have to buy salt in the house. Make sure you buy salt a lot of the time. In my house, I don't joke with salt. You have to get salt, because salt should not be lacking in your home. Once you get the salt, what are you going to be doing with it? You are going to be using the salt to take your bath. But don't rush, don't run that you know it all. Just wait till the end, because I'm going to be telling you what you are going to be needing. And also, at the end, I'm going to be telling you the recipe that you have to do immediately after the salt bath. The recipe you are going to be doing after the salt bath, I'm going to be telling you at the end. So don't run. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end. Now, once you get your salt, if you want to take your bath, all you need to do is just get the salt, a handful, then put it on your left palm like this. Put the salt on your left palm. Once you put it on left arm, then use your hand to smoothen it like this. Once you do that, then you continue to pray. You want to pray. Pray seriously on that salt. Everything you wanted, everything you don't want, all the negativities you don't want, you have to say it into that salt by praying. If you are the praying type, then you pray very well. But even if you are not the praying type, at least you know those things that you don't want and you know the ones you want. Just say everything in the salt. Then go ahead to your bedroom, pour into your bathing water. Just get a bucket, preferably a new bucket, and you can even buy a plastic one, white. If you are buying the plastic, make sure it is white. And if you are buying the metal one, make sure it is the aluminum type. But make sure it is plain white. Don't use colored. But if you don't have white, you can use, but the best color to use is white. Now, full of water, then you're going to pour the salt that you prayed into the water. Then use your right hand to stir it together. And after doing that, you also continue to pray. You pray on that water. Now, you have added the salt into the water. The water is no more an ordinary water. It is now an energized water. So you pray into it very well. The prayer makes it to become more powerful. Already with the salt in it, it is powerful. If you now offer your prayers again, then the water becomes more powerful because it's no more ordinary water. It is now a salt water. What I'm telling you is known to those, some religious practices. They go to the beach to go and pray. What they are doing is they are praying with salt water. But this one is what you are doing in your house. And what you have already is powerful. Water is powerful. It's a spiritual element that is powerful. Then salt itself is very powerful. So you are combining the two. Then you want to add it, energize it more with your prayer. Pray into it. Then after praying, make sure you are satisfied within you. Even before taking the bath, you already know that the prayer you've offered into the water, that you are getting better and refreshed. But one instruction is this: before you go ahead to use this water, and while offering your prayer, you must be naked. You must be already in the bedroom. So you have to be naked. You have to be naked in the bedroom to do this. Then after then, what you are going to be doing with it is to be using this to take your bath. You have to be using this to take your bath. Now, what is the best time to use salt bath? What is the best time to use salt water bath? The best time to use it is in the evening before going to bed. After you must have gone out, do your work, do everything, then you come back in the evening to use it to take your bath. You don't need to use soap. But if you are the type that cannot do without soap, then you can use soap. But the soap must also be white. Must be white soap. Just use white soap and use this to take your bath. You have to do it continuously, consecutively for 7 days. That means you don't break it. If you start today, you have to end on the seventh night. On the seventh night. So you continue to do it. Do it. You can do it for more than these days. But do it 7 days straight. And maybe after you do it again. Another thing is that this, you should be doing it from time to time. Maybe in a month you do it once. The second month you do it. Make sure you do it every day. Everybody should do this. It is not a matter of saying I have problem, I don't have problem, because you don't know when spiritual negativity might come. And most of the places we go, we come in contact with different people and different things. A lot of the time we pick up negativity that we are not even aware. So using this salt bath will energize you, will clear negativity from you for the month. Then the next month you do it. If you can do it twice a month, fine. If you can do it every day, fine. But I suggest you do it 7 days. Then relax. Do it another 7 days. Then you'll be doing it from time to time, from time to time. Now, the good thing about salt bath, the good thing about it is that the good thing about salt bath is that once you do it, you go to your bed, you don't go out again. And if you do it, the kind of dreams you have, the kind of sleep you have, the kind of peace you experience will be different from what you have been experiencing. And like I said, everyone needs this. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Even if you are not doing it every day, once in a while, especially when you go out or you feel you are tired, sort of, or you are feeling low, then do this. Because already negativity has started setting in. Once you do it, the negativity will get out, it will get away, it will leave you alone. So, I promise you to wait till the end. I'm going to give you what you are going to be doing after doing the salt bath. If you are through with the salt bath, then you have to do what we call a sweet bath. Sweet bath. Sweet bath. What do you call a sweet bath? A sweet bath is that you'll be sweetening your bath. You know, the first instance we use salt. So you are going to be using honey. Drop honey in your bathing water, or you are going to be using sugar. I've done a video talking in detail about sweet bath and how to do it. I'm going to be linking that also for you here. So make sure you do the salt bath and the sweet bath. The sweet bath can be done by honey or by sugar. Those are the two things you can use. But the details already is in the video I'll be linking up and I'll be putting in the description. Salt bath and sweet bath, very important. But salt bath is more important. It is very simple, but very effective. And every one of us needs salt bath. Salt bath is not, anybody can use it. In fact, everyone needs it. Every one of us needs it. Once you do it for your spouse. You can teach them to do it. You can teach your children. Just make sure you have salt in the house and let everybody be aware that this is what they can do. This is what they can do. Go to the comment box and tell me if you have done salt bath before, because a lot of testimony follows salt bath. It does not need introduction. But I just want to let you know that everyone needs it. It's not peculiar to those who have problems alone. It's for everyone. If you have done it before, let me know in the comment. Or if you want to do it, let me know. Or just go to the comment and tell me any spiritual issue that you feel you want me to talk about or you have done that is working. I would very much appreciate this, because your comment is going to tell others that this works and is working. A lot of people will do it. Also, do well to share this video, share it, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when next I release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. If salt bath is something you want to do next, make sure you do it and watch this video that I'm going to be putting up for you, that will teach you in detail what you can do immediately after doing salt bath. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.